Hello, welcome back to Miss Diaz RD channel with me, Miss Diaz. Video, I will share a knowledge, maybe knowledge. Can I say this is knowledge? This is related to my paragraph writing classes. So in this video, I will share to you information about process of writing. Specifically, this video will talk about 6 steps of writing process. All of the information from this video taken from the book of Zima and Rumisa 2003. Okay, have you ever write something? And how do you do writing? Do you go through some process of writing or just write it once and then after that submit it to your teacher? Okay, let me go to the first statement from Zima and Ruliza. When we write, we do more than just put words together to make sentences. It means that when we do writing, we not only put random words into sentences and then write as many as possible sentences and make a paragraph. Whether it's not coherent to the topic or the sentences do not support the topic, that's wrong. But we should do more than just putting words together to make sentences. Good writers go through several steps to produce a piece of writing. Let me underline several steps. Okay, it's not a step, but several steps to produce a piece of writing. It can be said that you can write once to get a good writing, but you need to write and then after that revise and then rewrite it once again, do editing, revise it until you feel that your sentences support the topic that you want to talk in your paragraph or in your writing. Okay, if you write something at once or you do not pass several steps to produce a piece of writing, stop there. Let's see this slide. Here, 6 steps of writing process that you need to pass to have a good writing. This is based on Zima and Rumisa 2003 on page 3 of his book. Okay, there are 4 big steps here. The first is pre-writing, and then after that drafting. The third, reviewing and revising, and the last is rewriting. These 4 big steps divided into 6 steps that is more detailed that make your writing become a good writing. The first step or step 1 is choose a topic. When you want to write something, you need to choose a topic, but sometimes your teacher give several topics to be chosen or a topic to be write. Okay, you can choose from that topics or you can choose your own topic that based on your assignment. Okay, but the first step is choose a topic first. Okay, step 2, gather ideas. After you have already chosen a topic, okay, you need to gather the ideas, whatever ideas surround your topic. Okay, for example, your topic is about friendship, So you can have so many ideas about friendship, maybe definition of friendship, example, maybe illustration, and whatever about friendship. So you have the ideas on you. Okay, don't stop there. Let's go to step 3, organize. Okay, this time you have already gathered ideas on the ideas on your hand, and then after that decide which ideas will you elaborate in your paragraph or in your writing, which ideas which come first, which idea will come second, where to put the ideas, okay, which idea will support another ideas, and then do organize all of that ideas previously. Okay, after that, let's go to drafting. Step 4. Now, after you organize all of the ideas, you need to write. Do free writing. Write all of the ideas based on the organization before you have the ideas, and then you have already organized it. Just write it down, sentence, every sentence until you have your writing. Don't think about mistakes that you do during the writing. Just write it down. Don't think about grammar. Don't think about spelling. Just write it down. This is drafting. Okay, you just need to write down your ideas based on the previous organization. Okay, after you write down your ideas based on your previous organization, let's move to the step 5. Review structure and content in reviewing and revising steps. Okay, in this step 5, you need to read your draft. Read your draft. Previously, you have do free writing, kind of free writing, and then now please read that draft and then try to find whether you need to put another sentence, maybe between another one, the first sentence or the second sentence, or you need to have more details to put a sample, or many things. Okay, you do review of your structure and content. Okay, maybe you can do also checking the grammar or the spelling here. Yeah, just give underline, yeah, give circle or whatever, cross something on your writing. That's okay. Do this. Okay, don't worry if your draft is not that neat or something. Don't worry about that. It's okay. Just do crossing, circling, or underlining your draft. It's okay. Because after step 5, we will go to step 6. Step 6, rewriting. Okay, revise structure. Okay, after you underline, crossing, circling the mistakes on step 5, rewrite it in a good version, in a better version from the previous draft. Okay, revise the structure and the content. Maybe you have some grammar error or spelling mistype or whatever you have previously, correct it, revise it. Okay, commonly this step, revise structure and content, sometimes it called editing. Okay, do editing, rewrite. Okay, rewrite. Don't use the same paper, use a different paper. Okay, rewrite it. Then after that, you finish revise structure and content, do proofread. Okay, this is also a step 6. Proofread means that you reread once again the writing that you have revised previously, yeah, we read it once again. Maybe you still have mistyped word, or maybe still have grammatical error, or maybe you still want to add something on your writing. Okay, do the same thing. Cross it, circle it, underline it. You can do whatever to your writing, and then once again revise it. Okay, edit it. Okay, until you feel like your writing fulfill the assignment. Okay, and then the last thing that you need to do is make a final correction. Okay, this is the final thing. After you do it repeatedly, yeah, revise the structure, then review it once again, and then yeah, you do the circle of it. Okay, do it repeatedly, not only once. Okay, don't be that easy to feel satisfied to your writing. Okay, after several editing, you can have your final correction before you submit your writing, or yeah, you said that your writing is finished. Okay, have another arrow here on the top. From rewriting and reviewing and revising, it means that you can do this step. Yeah, after reviewing and revising, you can go to rewriting and then go back and do it several times. Okay, hit a circle, and if we say if you have time to do it again and again, it will never like stop. Okay, because sometimes we want to make the perfect one, and then it will take a long process or step to make a good writing. Okay, here, if you feel that you understand about my explanation before, please fill or complete this chart summarizing the step of writing process. Okay, do you still remember what I said before or explained before? If you say yes, maybe you can finish this only in 5 minutes. Okay, good luck with your writing. Yeah, enjoy writing. Write without fear, edit without mercy. Okay, see you. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe this channel for further and for more information. Okay, bye bye.